JJ from S&S talking to you about our M8 cylinder and piston big bores. So you've seen a 124 kit from us in a power package. It has cylinder, piston, it comes with your lifters, your push rods, camshafts, M8 cam plate, oil pump. It's a whole kit and caboodle. Now we're offering, in addition to those kits, cylinder piston only. So the kit I have in front of me features the CVO black granite finish. So in the 124 kits that you've seen from us, you get a black option with highlight fin or black option with no highlight fin. We also have this for the 128 bikes, being a 114 or 117 CVO, that does the black granite. So it's a factory match to what those engines are. Something new about this cylinder, the logo here is now featured on the primary side. Just a new little detail of our M8 cylinders. Now what makes it 128 or a 124, just quickly, the stroke in your M8 engine. There's a difference. Your 107 bikes that started life that way are 4 3/8 stroke. Your factory delivered 114s and 117s, they come with 4.5 stroke. It's the same bore, different pistons. Wrist pin location is altered due to the stroke length. But that's what makes a 124 and a 128. Any more details, check our website, sscycle.com.